Work on the motorcycle tonight, and earlier this week I got these Molle panels cut out of some roughly 1/8 inch aluminum, and gonna attach them to the bike on the crash bars on the side. So I got a place to mount like pouches, water bottles, basically anything that uses the Molle system. Alright, the plan here is to go with 3 points of contact. Figure that ought to be enough to hold it. It ain't gonna be bearing hardly any weight here. So that's about where I'm thinking. Probably put some 1/4 inch spacers or maybe 3/8 spacer, bring it a ways from the crash bar here. That way a little bit more space for the straps to be able to go through the holes for the Molle pattern here. Alright, so I got the holes drilled now, and I'm going to simply just take the other panels, since everything's symmetrical, and put it underneath in the right orientation and drill straight through the first one. That should keep everything nice and lined up. Alright, so got the holes put in the other plate. Both plates are countersunk now for the kind of screws that I'm using. And for the spacers, I'm going to just cheat and use a few nuts that I have on hand. They're roughly about 1/4 inch, a little bit bigger. That should give me enough space off the tubes and the clamps to be able to run the straps through. Alright, that's looking pretty good. You notice it's not quite straight with the bar here, but the intention is to keep this actually level to the ground when it's up on its center stand. So I'm fairly happy with that placement there. So I got the holes drilled and countersunked in the panels here, and like you saw, I just copied the pattern so I can replicate that on the other side. And now the process is to go and get these, sand them, get them prepped for paint, and throw a coat of paint on there. See how this first layer came out. As you saw, I just threw some dead leaves on here because that's the foliage of the season right now. Not too bad there. Gonna toss them back on, do one more layer, and then sweet. So paint came out awesome. It's finally dried to the touch. Can start working with it and stuff. Probably be another day or so before it's cured hard, but I can at least get on the bike and get things mounted up. Yep, I'm liking that. It's actually fairly sturdy, not super tight, so that if the bike gets laid down, it should just give a little rather than breaking, which was kind of a goal here. I just gotta repeat this to the other side and hopefully it fits. So I have these pouches that I got recently to go on these Molle plates. those pouches came out pretty good, in my opinion. The thing I like about those pouches, they got that cool little shelf thing that you can set up on there, just perfect for the setup there. But yeah, the idea is that I can pop those off, put something else on if I want, and I think those Molle panels are going to be a great addition to that motorcycle. But yeah, that's it for that project, and yeah, thanks for watching.